Hey, this is Carson with Chex Vans, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to restore your black plastic trim on your van. Right here, you'll see this trim's been sitting out in the sunlight quite a bit. The UV rays are definitely harming it. You can see how chalky it is. This happens on normal vehicles as well. We experience this a lot more with, RVs and vans because they are typically not garage. They're sitting outdoors. So I found one product that works really well for this. I've been using it for about 5 years on personal vehicles, on customers' RVs, and it's just something I like to do when a customer comes in. If I notice they have quite a bit of trim fade, I like to just go ahead and do this as an added bonus. Don't even charge them, don't even really tell them that we do it, but it just helps revive these black plastics. The company that I found is called Gtechnique. This isn't a sponsored video. This is just, I love using this product, so I wanted to make a little video about it. It comes in this little vial right here. This vial costs about 60 bucks. It's definitely not cheap, but it definitely works. And this vial right here, I could probably make it stretch to like 2 to 3 vehicles. Very easy to apply, quick process. It doesn't really take much time at all. So we'll step on over and we'll kind of show you the application process. All right, so this is what you get in the box that it ships in. Some cotton rounds. They're basically like lint-free makeup applicators or whatever. Some instructions. We don't need this today because I've done this 1,000 times at this point. So first step that you want to clean all of your black plastics. They recommend using a citrus cleaner. I personally just use a bucket of Dawn soap and a brush, and I just scrub the hell out of the black plastics, clean them up real good, kind of degrease them. All you're gonna use is like a few drops of this. You wanna kind of wet that applicator to prime it. You don't have to go overkill with this stuff. You also are supposed to wear gloves. I am not. All you're gonna do is you can see how much that stretches. All right, so as you can see, just about 4 drops there did these 2 panels. You wanna grab a microfiber cloth at this stage. You're essentially just buffing excess out, and you're also just helping spread it around a little bit more in case you did miss a spot. And that's how easy it is to apply. And then I'll pull this tape off right here and you'll see that difference. And that's how well this stuff restores that black plastic. So again, just something I like to do for customers. Really just helps bring that vibrance back out in the black. That's it for our quick tip, pro tip on restoring your black trim. We'll link this stuff down in the description below. Don't forget to, as you're applying it, wear those gloves. It starts to tingle your fingertips a little bit when you start to apply it. So as always, we appreciate y'all watching. Hope this really helps somebody out. Like, subscribe, and we'll keep doing more content like this. Cheers.